saying, right, use them up, we're coming in this lap, but in the end it's cost them.
Go walk.
So we're hearing that Prime tyres, the yellow mark ones, it's got
Go
another compound going on. We know you like to pull the rest
Go
of
walk.
the there they are again, a brand new set of those Prime. So we wondered if they might go super soft. Michael Schumacher's pitting as well.
Go walk.
And Vettel's lead up to 11.6 seconds, but crucially Webber's now 9.5 seconds behind Button, following Alonso as he was running out of time.
Take your walk in a minute, alright.
Button dearly, and is about
Get
to
lead.
Hamilton dearly too, unless he can clear Felipe Massa in a hurry. So Schumacher takes the pits for Mercedes, and that's going to cost them dearly, isn't it? If they've got others like Perez and maybe the two Williams
Get your lead.
who are looking after their tyres better, Mercedes really are fighting in the midfield for the tail end of the point with that. But this is the main battle at the moment. It's fourth place, man. We've got a car at Virgin Racing down the escape road. And trying to work out which one that is.
Ah, he's doing that to stop your lead.
So Tino Glock, the first
Get your lead.
retirement of
Shut your tail.
4 runners.
Shut your tail.
20. And there then is Webber pulling away from Massa. Will Ferrari pit Massa?
Well, alright. Get your lead.
So we hope so.
You're telling me he stopped you shaking your tail? He's very clever.
To run out of tyres then.
But no action at Red Bull, so Red Bull are not reacting to Alonso's stop. They're not